Students appreciate video lectures, and they're not, and by using the Camtasia Relay, they're not that hard to put together.
Camtasia Relay is lecture capture software that allows you, the instructor, to capture lectures and presentations, easily upload these lectures and presentations to a server, and distribute them to your students for use on their favorite mobile devices.
And they felt like it was a real benefit to them to be able to go off and do things. I had one student tell me that she always washed her dishes while she listened, which is really one of the advantages for doing this.
The thing that I like the best about Camtasia Relay is I have it on a thumb drive, and so not only do I have it on my desktop, but I can take that thumb drive to any computer that I'm working on.
I found the use of the Camtasia Relay quite easy. It was just a matter of hitting a couple of buttons and you were being recorded. With a little preparation and a little practice, the videos turn out real well.
Camtasia Relay is extremely simple to use, and everyone can do it with 3 easy steps. First, you record your lectures or presentations by clicking the big red button. Next, you present your information, including presentations, videos, or internet searches. Anything on your desktop can be recorded and shared with your students. After recording and presenting, you simply click the Submit button, and your presentation is instantly sent to a server that distributes your presentations to your course in a variety of formats, such as WMV, MP4, or Flash, and through a variety of outlets, such as iTunes U, Sakai, or any other learning management system with or without captioning. Now your presentation can be downloaded by your students and accessed on their favorite computer or mobile device.
One of the advantages of Camtasia Relay is that you can, once you do the lecture, you can save it in several different formats without any trouble. It's just a matter of checking a box and it's saved.
You also can make it to where you put captions in there, to where you go ahead and narrate your slides. Not only are they seeing what's on the screen, any visuals that you've got from your PowerPoint, they're also hearing it, and also they can turn around and read it as well. One thing I also like about the program is the support that you get. Here at the University of South Alabama, they have the ILC, the Innovation Learning Center, and they're only a phone call away. I can pick up the phone if I'm having problems with trying to record a lecture or my headpiece isn't working. They can usually talk me through those type of things.
What I did find was that this particular video program worked very well for me, and it was not much of a learning curve to get on it and get it to work, and the product was high quality.